Hey guys, welcome to the Best Online Tutorials channel. In this one I will show you how to use the hardware troubleshooter for missing devices in Windows 11. So firstly guys, we'll need to open up our specific Windows and settings to start troubleshooting. So in our case, just press Windows key plus R, and this will bring up this native run command dialog box, this one right here. And now guys, you just need to type the precise executable string, which is going to be this one. Okay, you can just copy it from our video, it's not that complicated, and then press OK. Okay, and as you can see guys, we will have this new window pop up, troubleshoot and help prevent computer problems. As you can see, hardware and devices. Find and fix problems with devices and hardware. Okay, and before clicking anything, look at the bottom left of the wizard layout and click the advanced link right here. And as you can see, this will make sure that the repairs are applied automatically as you move through this wizard. All right, and let's allow the tool to actively cross-reference your system registry against your physical motherboard ports. Press on next. And now as you can see, it's going to be detecting problems. So if it identifies a missing asset, it will display a repair screen. If it does, you can just click apply this fix. And the operating system will mechanically re-index the hardware bus and force load the clean and factory drivers required to bridge the communication link back to your capture software. So as you can see in my case, I have the Bluetooth adapter that is giving me a problem. I can troubleshoot this and the rest are just disabled, so don't touch that. If you just disabled them, that's fine. So I'll just go ahead and troubleshoot this one. All right, so now let's see what happens. And then just wait. Once the diagnostic engine completes its layout repairs, you can just close the wizard window and run a quick manual system reboot to lock in the newly discovered registry configurations. So as you can see, restart your PC to finish installing drivers and updates. Apply this fix, restart your computer, and you're good to go. Enjoy, like and subscribe. See you next time, guys.